Hello everyone, welcome to Mahila Samachar digital classes. Dear children, this is your maths facilitator from Mahila Samachar High School. Dear children, this is the maths presentation which gives the solution for exercise 2.2 from the chapter numbers. This is the fourth presentation of the chapter numbers. Dear children, the first question of year 2.2 exercise 2.2 is represent these numbers on the number line. See, there are two rational numbers. One is 7 by 4 and another one is minus 5 by 6. We want to represent these two rational numbers on the number line. So, to represent, let us go to the first one, 7 by 4. To represent the 7 by 4 on the number line, first draw a number line, then see between the two consecutive numbers, that means between the two adjacent numbers, make the number line into 4 equal parts and divide the number line into 4 equal divisions. Children, observe here, between 0 and 1 and between 1 and 2, we made here 4 equal divisions. The first division is 1 by 4, the second division is 2 by 4, the third division is 3 by 4 and the fourth division is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 4 ones are, it get cancels, again we'll get the number 1. So that 4 by 4, then the next division. See, then between the 1 and 2, there are 4 equal divisions. The first division, see, after the 4 by 4 we can continue it as 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4. Children, actually we want to represent the 7 by 4 on the number line. Here the first one is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. See, this point is there, no? 7 by 4. This point is the representation of the rational number 7 by 4 on the number line. Children, once again I am repeating it. To represent a rational number on the number line, first we want to observe its denominator. Then what is the denominator is there in the rational number. So we want to make such equal divisions between the two whole numbers on the number line. Here the denominator is 4. See, between 0 and 1 we want to make the 4 equal divisions. That means, see, this is the first part, second part, third part and this one is the fourth part. In this case, this one is the first part, second part, third part and this one is the fourth part. So here first part is represented by 1 by 4, second part as 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4, 8 by 4. So we want to represent the 8 by 4. So we got the 8 by 4 here. Then children, the second one is minus 5 by 6. Minus 5 by 6 means we want to move towards the negative end of the number line or negative side of the number line. See children, here minus 5 by 6 is there. In the denominator, what is the number? 6. 6 is the number in the denominator. So that between the consecutive numbers on the number line, we want to make the 6 equal parts. That means towards the negative side, 1 and minus 1 are the consecutive, 0 and minus 1 are the consecutive numbers. So between 0 and minus 1 we want to make 6 equal parts. We want to divide the number line between 0 and minus 1 into 6 equal parts. So this is the first part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part and sixth part. So first part can be written as minus 1 by 6, second part as minus 2 by 6, minus 3 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 6 by 6. Where is the minus 5 by 6? Yes, here is the minus 5 by 6 children, which we want to represent on the number line. So this is the point where we want to represent the number line. Where we want to represent the minus 5 by 6. Children, I think it is clear for you now. Let us move on to the next problem. Dear children, between 0 and minus 1, make the 11 equal parts. That means divide the region between 0 and minus 1 into 11 equal parts. See 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This one is the 11th one. So that see the first part can be named as, let us name these points with the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, P respectively. Children, here the first part can be written as minus 1 by 11. That means this is the first part among the 11 parts, so that we can name it as minus 1 by 11. Then the second point is minus 2 by 11. Minus indicates that it is towards the negative side. 2 indicates that the second part. Then 11 indicates that the total number of parts. See, on total, the region between the 0 and minus 1 is divided into 11 equal parts. So among the 11 equal parts, this one is the second part. So that minus 2 by 11. Minus 2 by 11. See, we want to mark the minus 2 by 11 on the number line, so that this is the point which gives the minus 2 by 7 on the 2 by 11 on the number line. Then next point can be named as minus 3 by 11. Next one is minus 4 by 11, and the next one is minus 5 by 11. Again, here is the question point, and this is the solution, or this is the point where the minus 5 by 11 lies on the number line. The next point is minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11, again minus 9 by 11, minus 9 by 11 is the answer part of the number line. Children, here this is point P gives us the minus 2 by 11, point E gives us the minus 5 by 11, and point I gives us the minus 9 by 11. I think it is clear for you, children. Now let us move on to the next problem. Children, the third one is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Write the 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. So the number smaller than 2 means 1 is the rational number which is smaller than 2. Then half, 0, minus 1, minus half are considered as the 5 rational numbers which are less than 2. Children, we can also give some more examples. 1.5, 1, then half, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, etc. So many examples we can give. Those are the rational numbers which are less than 2. See here, 1, minus 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 and minus 1 by 2 are considered as the 5 rational numbers which are lesser than 2. Children, more rational numbers are there which are less than 2, but here for our remembrance I took this as the best example. 1, half, 0, minus 1, minus half are the 5 rational numbers which are less than 2. Children, the next question is find the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Children, see, converting the given rational numbers with the same denominators. That means to find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, we want to convert those two rational numbers denominators into same denominators. Children, in these two rational numbers, observe the denominators. Here the denominator is 5 and here the denominator is 2. We want to equalize these two denominators. Children, minus 2 by 5. So let us multiply both the numerator and denominator with the number 4. 4. Children, minus into plus minus itself. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Then the denominator 5 4s are 20. So we got the minus 2 by 5 as minus 8 by 20. In case of second fraction 1 by 2, so to make the 2 into 20, we want to multiply the 2 with 10. So 2 10s are 20, 1 10s are 10, 1 10s are 10. Children, thus we have, see here now the final form of minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. Thus, we have the following 10 rational numbers between them. Between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are, see here minus 8 by 20 is there, no children. So that minus 7 by 20, minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, etc. are the rational numbers between minus 2 and 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Children, once again, see, to find the rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, we want to equalize the denominators. So, let us multiply the 5 with 4 to make it as 20. So that we want to multiply the numerator also with 4. See, minus 2 into 4 by 5 by 4 equals to minus into plus minus 2 4s are 8, then denominator 5 4s are 20. So here we converted the denominator 5 into 20, so that we want to make the denominator 2, the second rational numbers denominator 2 into 20. So that to convert the denominator 2 into 20, we want to multiply the denominator with 10. If we multiply the denominator with 10, with the same number we want to multiply the numerator also, so that 1 10s are 10, 2 10s are 20. Children, thus we have the following 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Children, here negative is minus 2 by 5 is negative 1. We are moving towards the positive number 1 by 2. So that we want to move backward. That means, see, minus 8 by 20, 10 by 20 means minus 8 by 20 means behind that minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, minus 0 by 20 means 0 itself. So that directly 0 here, then 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20, 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20, 9 by 20 are the rational numbers which lie between the minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 10, 1 by 2. Among them we can choose any of the 10. I think it is clear for you, children. Now let us move on to the next one. Children, here see this third, that means fifth problem is similar to that of the fourth problem, above problem. Here find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5, then minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, then 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Children, see, as I said, we want to convert the denominators into same denominators. We want to convert the rational numbers into the same denominators. So that, see, first let us take the first problem, 2 by 3. First rational number of the first problem is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 means let us multiply both numerator and denominator with 5. 2 5s are 10 and 3 5s are 15. Next let us take the second one, 4 by 5. Second rational number, 4 by 5. So here we converted the denominator 3 into 15. Let us make the denominator 5 also as 15. So that to make the 5 into 15, we want to multiply with 3. 5 3s are 15. So that multiply the numerator also with 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Children, here the resultant rational numbers are equivalent rational numbers are 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Children, between 10 by 15 and 12 by 15, only one rational number is there, that is 11 by 15. 11 by 15. Children, so but we want to find the 5 rational numbers, so that again convert this simplified form into the other rational number of different same denominators. Children, let us take 10 by 15, multiply the 10 by 15 with 4. See, 15 into 4 60, 10 into 4 40. 10 4s are 40, 15 4s are 60. In the same way, 12 by 15 is there. No, that means simplified form of 4 by 5 is 12 by 15. Let us multiply the 12 by 15 with 4 by 4. That means 12 4s are 48, 5 4s are 15 4s are 60. 15 4s are 60, 12 4s are 48. So now the resultant rational numbers are 40 by 60 and 48 by 60. Now it is easy for us to find the 5 rational numbers. See, after the 40 by 60, we can write the 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60, 45 by 60 are the 5 rational numbers which lie between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Children, here see, more are there, that means 46 by 60, 47 by 60 and more rational numbers are there, but among them any 5 we can choose. 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60, 44 by 60 and 45 by 60 are the 5 rational numbers which lie between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. See, for the second one, minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 4 and minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Let us proceed to the next slide. Yes, children, the next one, we want to find the 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. Let us equalize the denominators first. Here in first rational number the denominator is 2 and in the next rational number the denominator is 3. So first let us equalize these denominators. So minus 3 by 2 means we can write it, we can multiply minus 3 by 2 with 3, both the numerator and denominator with 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6, minus into plus minus, then 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Now we want to convert the 3 into 6, 3 as 6. So to make the 3 as 6, we want to multiply the denominator with 2. So that 3 2s are 6, then 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Children, here the resultant rational numbers are minus 9 by 6 and minus 9 by 6 and 10 by 6. so that we have the 5 rational numbers between minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 as minus 8 by 6, comma, minus 7 by 6, minus 6 by 6, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 3 by 6. We can write so many rational numbers between the minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3, but here are the 5 rational numbers: minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, minus 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, etc. Now let us move on to the next one. Children, see here we want to find the 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Quarter. We want to find the 5 rational numbers between quarter and half. So first let us take the 1 by 2. So to make it as 4, that means denominator with 4, multiply the numerator and denominator with 2. 2 are 4, 1 2s are 4. Then let us consider the 1 by 4 as it is now. The denominator of 1 by 4 is 4 and 1 by 2 is 4. Children, here we can observe, see, between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 there is no other rational number. So that we want to convert this rational numbers into the denominator of some other number. So that let us take the 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Children, see, 1 by 4, let us multiply the 1 by 4 with 8 by 8. That means 1 8s are 8, 4 8s are 32. Then let us convert the 1 by 2 into the denominator of 32. So if we want to make the 2 into 32, then we want to multiply the 2 with 16. So that 2 16s are 32, 1 16s are 16. 2 16s are 32, 1 16s are 16. Here, see, the final form of the 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 8 by 32 and 16 by 32. So we can write the so many rational numbers between these two numbers now. Children, 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, 13 by 32, 14 by 32, 15 by 32 are the rational numbers between the 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. It is clear for you children now, I think. See, 1 by 4 is the rational number. No need to convert this into further form. Write down the 1 by 4 as it is. 1 by 2, let us convert the 1 by 2 into the denominator of 4. So to make the 2 as the 4, we want to multiply the 2 with 2. So that multiply the numerator also with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Children, so 1 2 here the final form of 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. But there is no rational number between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. So that let us further simplify these two rational numbers. So 1 by 4, multiply the 1 by 4 with 8 by 8. So 1 8s are 8, 4 8s are 32. Then 1 by 2 means 1 16s are 16, 2 16s are 32. Here 1 by 4 can be written as 8 by 32 and 1 by 2 can be written as 16 by 32. So now we can write the rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 as 9 by 32. Children, here you can observe 9 by 32, 10 by 32, 11 by 32, 12 by 32, 12 by 32, 13 by 32, 14 by 32, 15 by 32. But here I considered only the 5 rational numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rational numbers. Now let us move on to the next one. Children, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Children, 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2 may be taken as minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 1 and half. Then minus half, minus 1, minus half, 0, plus half. Children, here minus 3 by 2 is the simplified form of minus 3 by 2 is the simplified form of minus 1 and half. So minus 2 means minus 1 and half. Minus 1 and half means we can write it as minus 3 by 2 minus 1, then minus 1 by 2 minus half, 0 and plus half or plus 1 by 2 are the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Now let us move on to the next one. Children, here the numbers greater than minus 2 we are discussing. If the negative number is, in case of negative sign is there, means in case of negative numbers, if the number is more means its value becomes less. If the number is less, negative number is less means its value is more. So that, see, the greater numbers, the numbers which are greater than minus 2 are minus 1 and half, minus 1, minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1 by 2. That means half. Now let us move on to the next one. Children, here we want to find the 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. Children, converting the given rational with the same denominators. See, 3 by 5 means let us multiply both numerator and denominator with 20. 3 by 5 means multiply both numerator and denominator with 20. So 3 20s are 60, 5 20s are 100. So that the equivalent fraction for 3 by 5 is 60 by 100. Then 3 by 4 is there, no? So to make the 4 as 100, we want to multiply the 4 with 25. 4 25s are 100. So that multiply the numerator also with 25. 3 25s are 75. So that the rational numbers are, the resultant rational numbers are 60 by 100 and 75 by 100. 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 can be written as 60 by 100 and 75 by 100. Thus, we have the 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 as, see, 16 by 61 by 100, 62 by 100, 63 by 100, 64 by 100, 65 by 100, 66 by 100, 67 by 100, 68 by 100, 69 by 100, 70 by 100, 71 by 100, 72 by 100, 73 by 100, 74 by 100. That's all. So among those numbers we can choose any of the 10. So from 61 by 100 to 70 by 100 are the 10 rational numbers which lie between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. It is clear for you, children? I think it is clear for you. Now let us move on to the next one. This is the end of your exercise 2.2 and this is the end of your second chapter, numbers. Children, see, so many of you asked that what about the playing with numbers chapter? Children, will discuss that chapter in the classroom itself because it is the chapter with more games. It is an interactive chapter. So in online class it is impossible to do that. So that I'll do the chapter while you will come to the classes. Understood, children? Thank you. This is the end of your second chapter. In next presentation, we will move with the new lesson. Thank you, children. Thank you, one and all.